they're already curious back home, and they're like, oh, you're posting this, you're seeing this, like, how is that for you? And when we go back, we'll be able to tell them after first-hand experience just how beautiful it is, because they only saw it through pictures, but we saw it with our own eyes. So I feel like it'll be more meaningful when we tell them and describe just the little bit of details that were there that they couldn't see.
I will be telling them all about it. If they ask me questions, I'll talk about how beautiful the country is, the culture, just everything that goes along with it, even just the architecture and just the gardens that are surrounding all of us. It's absolutely amazing and beautiful, and the people are amazing too. They're so nice and giving.